Discover 112 plus acres in Kentucky with a luxury residence, multiple homes, a European-style horse barn, world-class equestrian facilities, and breathtaking countryside views that place you right in the heart of horse country. Hidden within the rolling landscape of Kentucky, this remarkable estate combines elegant living with a professionally designed equestrian operation, creating a property that feels both refined and endlessly functional. Spanning 112 exceptional acres, the farm unfolds with gently rolling fields, scenic views, and thoughtfully designed horse facilities that make it ideal for multiple disciplines and lifestyles. From the moment you enter the property, you immediately get the feeling that every detail here was carefully planned and executed with purpose. At the center of the estate sits a beautiful custom-built owner's residence, designed for both everyday comfort and upscale entertaining. Inside, open-concept living spaces create a warm and inviting atmosphere, highlighted by a dramatic stone fireplace that anchors the home. Two spacious primary suites on the main level offer convenience and flexibility, while an additional private suite upstairs features its own charming widow's walk overlooking the surrounding farm and countryside views. Connected through a breezeway are separate guest quarters that provide ideal accommodations for family, visitors, private office space, or extended stays, while maintaining privacy between living areas. The true centerpiece of the equestrian improvements is the stunning European-style courtyard barn, designed both visually and functionally. Inside, you'll find 12 rubber-matted stalls with large windows allowing abundant natural light and ventilation throughout the barn. Additional features include 2 hot and cold wash racks, oversized tack rooms, feed and hay storage areas, equipment space, carriage storage, washer and dryer hookups, and a spacious center aisle designed for efficiency and comfort. Additional structures throughout the farm create even more versatility. A secondary tobacco barn includes newly built stalls, while a separate manager's residence overlooks the impressive all-weather riding arena. 2 additional homes and a maintained double-wide provide excellent opportunities for employee housing, guest accommodations, rental income, or Airbnb potential. The property also features multiple fenced fields, a round pen, cross-country training areas, carriage driving obstacles, and a peaceful pond surrounded by the beauty of Kentucky countryside. This 112-plus acre Kentucky equestrian estate delivers luxury living, elite horse facilities, multiple residences, and endless possibilities, all in one extraordinary setting.